Good day, my friends. I've got a wand that is a fantasy wand and truly epic wand going to the Czech Republic. And we'll have some close-ups to do this some justice. But this is a really, really special wand. Let's go ahead and talk a little bit about it while I show you. This is made of larch wood. It is 12.5 inches long with a unicorn hair core. Let's talk a little bit about the larch wood. Larch wood is a strong and durable wand wood, and it is warm in color. It has long been valued as an attractive and powerful wand wood. Its reputation for instilling courage and confidence in the user has ensured that demand has always outstripped the supply. This much sought-after wand is, however, hard to please in the matter of ideal owners, and trickier to handle than many might imagine. It is found that it always creates wands with hidden talents and unexpected effects, which likewise describes the master who deserves it. It's often the case that the witch or wizard who belongs to the larchwood wand may never realize the full extent of their considerable talents until they are paired with it. But they will then make an exceptional match when paired. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you enjoyed. This truly has been a wand long in the making, and as you can see, there are lots of details where this little copper tubing and goes and runs through the wood and is intricately drilled through, and then it runs on these little cogs and gears and then wraps over an emerald bead. But thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you have not. That'll help our channel grow. And once again, I am so grateful for all your guys' kind love and patience for my craft. Thank you very much.